1. 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass Sedan 4D, $2,000, St. Louis, Missouri. A 1971 Oldsmobile Cutlass sedan project car, priced at $2,000. It runs but needs work, ideal for someone with the time to restore it. Features a 350 small block Oldsmobile engine paired with a 350T transmission. Comes with many extra parts, and the title was recently sent off. The seller is open to trades and can even deliver. A great looking classic that just needs some finishing touches. Two, 1969 Ford Thunderbird, $1,800, Transfer, Pennsylvania. A 1969 Ford Thunderbird project car available for $1,000 to $800. Powered by a 429 Thunderjet V8 engine, it runs but needs brake work. Would make a great rat rod or restoration project. A solid starting point for any Thunderbird enthusiast. 3. 1965 Chevrolet Nova, $2,500 of Virginia. This 1965 Chevrolet Nova is being sold as a parts car for $2,500. It features a running 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. The grille, headlight assembly, bumpers, and deck lid are in great condition. Rides on Monte Carlo wheels. A solid option for someone looking for parts or a restoration project. 4. 1965 Buick LeSabre, $1,000, Guyton, Georgia. A 1965 Buick LeSabre 400 edition project car, priced at $1,000. It retains its original 300 V8 engine with a factory 4-barrel carburetor. The body is solid, but there is rust in the trunk and around the back window. The engine appears to be locked up from sitting, making it a great candidate for an engine rebuild or swap. No title, but the VIN is clean. Price is negotiable. Five, 1969 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe, the $1,500, Grenada, Mississippi. A 1969 Cadillac Eldorado priced at $1,500. The engine runs but needs a carburetor rebuild or replacement. The automatic transmission shifts into all gears. Would make a great donor or parts car for someone restoring an Eldorado. Seller is open to offers. Six, 1966 Buick Electra, $2,000, Baltimore, Maryland. This 1966 Buick Electra is a running and driving project car, available for $2,000. The seller has invested a lot into getting it to its current state, but it still needs some finishing touches. Comes with new headlights and other parts. Firm on price and not holding for anyone. Seven, 1982 Dodge D150 regular cab long bed, $2,500, Missouri. A 1982 Dodge D150 pickup truck featuring a 360 V8 engine with a small cam and Mopar lifters. Mopar lifters. It runs and drives but needs a battery. The body is in solid condition with only one rust spot on the driver's side floorboard. The interior is clean with no cracks in the dash. Comes with a bed full of winches, priced at $2,500. 8, 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $2,000, Whitakers, North Carolina. A 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe project car, priced at $2,000. It has a 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and a 4-lug wheel setup. The seller is open to trades, including guitars, amplifiers, and other project vehicles. A great classic Mustang for someone looking to restore or customize. 9. 1971 Volkswagen Beetle convertible, $1,200, Pontotoc, Mississippi. A 1971 Volkswagen Beetle convertible project car priced at $1,200. It needs restoration but has plenty of potential. A great classic VW for someone looking to bring it back to life. My 10. 1973 Plymouth Duster, $500, Clinton, Tennessee. A 1973 Plymouth Duster project car available for just $500. It's a complete car minus the engine and transmission, sold with a bill of sale only. A budget-friendly entry into classic Mopar restoration. 11. 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass, $1,500, Bath, New York. A 1964 Oldsmobile Cutlass project car, priced at $1,500. It runs and drives but needs brake lines replaced, interior work, and a new convertible top. The seller originally purchased it as a father-son project but is selling due to job loss. Comes with a bill of sale but no registration. Serious inquiries only.